Good day and welcome to Steven Maths and Physics Academy. Today we'll be considering 2026 Neco Physics Making Start 4. Here we have our rotor stand, the spiral spring, the mass hanger, our stopwatch. Our mass is 20 grams, 40 grams, 60 grams, 80 grams and 100 grams. What are we expected to do here? It is obvious that what we expected to do or carry out is simple harmonic motion experiment. Setting this spring with the spiral, with the mass hanger and the masses into oscillation. Now, what we are going to do now, the first thing we are going to do is to suspend the spiral spring from this rotor stand. That is the first thing to do. And then the next is to suspend the mass hanger of 40 grams on the free end of this spiral spring. As I've done it like this, that's how the setup is. You can see the board is depicted there on the board. Now, after that, I will introduce the first mass. The first mass will be slotted, and that mass is 20 grams. I slot the first mass, which is 20 grams, and pull the mass hanger vertically downwards, pull it gently vertically downwards to avoid conical oscillation, and release it. Measuring the time using this stopwatch taken for it to complete 10 oscillations. So we're going to use 10 oscillations. We determine the time. We are going to measure the time taken for 20 or 10 oscillations to occur. We record that as T. We are going to do it twice. Do it as T1 and T2 and take the average as our T. So without wasting any time, let us start. And before you start, ensure that the stopwatch is at 0, 0, 0. That is avoiding zero error. Now let's pull it vertically downwards in a gentle way. Pull it vertically downwards in a gentle way, ensuring that the direction of the pull is along the axis of the spiral spring, just to avoid conical oscillation. Now this is 20 grams. We are starting